Good morning.
Hi, I'm Bob. He's Jan, and that's Dave. And together we're restoring an A-26 Invader bomber with the help of some amazing volunteers. So come along and join us on this amazing journey.
All right, it's another week. Rolled around Monday morning. Walked in the hangar. It's looking like it's going to be a fairly nice week. Spring might be coming to Utah. It's supposed to be in the mid 50s this week. Not quite ready for it yet. We need more snow. But I'm here, and I'm going to start working on that pilot canopy. See if I can get the rest of it dialed in and get that project out of the way. So last week we put all the hardware in for the NavCom antenna. So we put it on there last week and it looks pretty sweet. We still have to seal it down, and but we'll get that done. But right now I'm going to start working on this canopy frame. I got to put hardware in it and cut off the loops so that they don't have so much stuff on them. And yeah, we'll see how far I can get today. Maybe I can get, don't tell anybody, maybe I can get the glass on it today. That would be really cool. So stand by. Anyway, I'm up here in the cockpit because we've got the motor replaced. We've got gear oil in the gearbox. Let me show you what happens. Hang on. All right, clear?
Clear.
Flaps coming down. I don't know how well the sound is coming through the microphone, but that's so much better than it was last week. And there's full down. All right.
Clear.
Clear. Flaps coming up. Like Dave just said, it's a thing of beauty. Okay. All right, I've got all of the hardware redone. Got the U-bolts cut off. We put Pro Seal, otherwise known as PRC, in the stems of these bolts because, again, we don't have the room in here to put a jam nut on the other side. So we're using the Pro Seal to just stabilize those U-bolts so they don't wander around, and when the canopy is tied down, it's not going to matter. It'll be under tension. This just feels really nice. It works really good. That part's looking good, so on to the next. We're getting the canopy ready for installation. So like we did last time, we're going to put this felt on the perimeter, and that protects the plastic from the metal parts. So we're going to get this done. Okay, so we've got all the felt on this glass, and I think we are going to put this up there on there. The Pro Seal is still drying, but we're going to do what we did last time: lay it up there, put the screws in. I'll be inside, Jan will be outside. We'll get all the screws, nuts, and washers on there, and then see how it fits. Okay, look at that. That's the first time in, I don't know, 10, 12 years since these have been been operational, been on the airplane.
35, 36.
No, I mean, we took them off, but they've been off for like 10, 12 years, right?
Oh, easy that.
Yeah.
This is now they're functioning since.
Yeah, now they're functional, which they haven't been in 50 years probably.
Yeah, anyway.
So we still have work to do. We've got a few screw issues because they're colliding with the latches. But that windshield's in. We're waiting for the Pro Seal to kick off. We still have some screws to put on the bottom side. And then we'll be ready to put in the weather strip. And oh man, what a relief it is. I know that Jan's got a smile on his face over there. Dave will have a smile on his face. It's going to be great. So we'll see what happens Wednesday. All right, we've got the pilot's canopy basically done. Hold on. All right, we have all the perimeter screws in. I have the arms on. And Jan is over starting to work on the weather strip seal. So hopefully this will all be done today. We still have to address some issues with the emergency release on the co-pilot side, but we'll get through that. So Jan's been working on the weather strip here. He's got that installed. Nate and I are working on the perimeter seal. We're right to here. And I'll put up a camera here and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, well, we've got the weather strip in here and it looks nice. So I guess the next thing is to put the canopy on here and see how it looks. Remember that great day I said we were going to have? It's a great day. Hold on just a minute. So check this out, folks. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, awesome. Yep. And that, folks, go ahead and pull that one down and latch it. So they're all latched up. This is an awesome day. What do you think, Jan?
I think it's pretty awesome. Really, really cool. Congratulations, Bob. Job well done.
Hey, I had a lot of help, but that's fantastic. So here's another view. Go ahead, you guys. Yep. Yep. Oh man, how cool is that? Okay, go ahead and open them again. So we're kind of guessing that this is the first time any of this has worked in probably 60 or 70 years.
Really, since 1947.
Yeah, because this canopy was locked down, and we think that's what stressed it out. So this is a good day. It's Friday. Not a lot going on today. Show you what we've been doing. So you know about those totally awesome looking canopies being on the airplane, which is super fantastic. Really excited about that. So we got these big holes in the side of the fuselage. That, oh, by the way, you gotta need something in them. So here's the old windows. There are 7 windows in the aircraft. And what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up the edges from the old sealant. Let me take you over here. So yeah, I've been cleaning up the edges of these windows, getting ready for, I'm pretty sure we're going to use felt like we did on the other ones, for the clamshell canopies. But yeah, I've just been cleaning these up a little bit. But that's going to be a long, lengthy process, and I think at some point they're going to need to get polished. So I'm going to end the episode here. And here's a little spoiler alert coming soon. Still going to be a minute, but we're getting ready. I'm going to be gone for a couple of weeks. I'll try to drop some content next week. We're going to go to A-26 ground school. And by the way, one of these windows is broken and warped, and I'm taking it to a company that might be able to give us a new glass. So we'll see if that happens. And there's some more surprises coming in the next few weeks, so I hope you stay tuned. If you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel and dropping a like and sharing it out, I'd greatly appreciate it. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, I'm in the cockpit here, and
Indicator working, Bob? Everything's working up there, right?
yeah, that's why I'm filming.
Oh, good for you.
Anyway, that part's looking gone, so good.